morning everyone. I hope so you are good at home and preparing well about the physics. And one announcement is here. On 1st of May, chapter 1 test is going to be conducted. So be prepared about the chapter number 1 in a very authentic manner. If you will have any doubt, you can comment in the personal window. Okay, so today we are going to be talk about here chapter number 3, electric potential, and standard is 12. Topics to be covered today: numerical based on electric potential due to a point charge, and the second topic, electric potential due to electric dipole, we are going to be covered, and the third topic is equipotential surface. So let's try to be understand. There are two numericals which is based on electric potential due to a point charge. So what actually the basic understanding required here relevant to this particular numerical? So first numerical I am going to be read, then we will find out data, and then we will find out the solution. So first numerical, determine the electric potential. What we have to find out? Electric potential at a point and at a point 10 centimeter from a positive point charge of 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb is air. So what are the given data? Let's first write down here given data. So the given data is, number one is distance is given here. R is equals to 10 centimeter, and it is centimeter, we have to be changed into meter. So it is 0.1 meter. Okay. Another thing is given that 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. So this is your value of charge. What we have to find out? The value of charge is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. Okay. And what we have to find out? We have to find out electric potential. So this is very easy and relevant to the Rajasthan board and CBSE. This type of questions are coming in generally 1 marks. So formula we are going to be used here. V is equals to KQ upon R, and you know that K is a constant. The value of K is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Value of Q is 1.1 into 10 to the power minus 9, and divided by R is 0.1. So 0.2 point cancel. 10 to the power plus 9, 10 to the power minus 9, it is 10 to the power 0, and 9 into 11, it is 99 volt. This is your answer of numerical number 1. This numerical number is 1 is only generally consisting 1 marks based question. Now we are talking about the second question. This is very easy. So we got here electric potential is 99 volt. Now we are talking about the second numerical, which is based on the understandable concept. The distance between two charges, 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, this is the value of charge number 1, and minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, this is the value of the charge number 2, okay, is 0.1 meter. Both are separated by 0.1 meter. So at this particular statement we understood there are two charges, number 1 and another charge is number 2. So Q1 and Q2, Q2 is negative, so I am just writing minus Q2. At what point on the line joining the charges, okay, where at what points on the line joining the charges take the electric potential is 0 at infinity. What do you mean by this? The meaning is when we are bringing a charge from infinite to definite, when we are bringing a charge from infinite to definite position, so we will look towards that both charges are opposite, or both charges are consisting the same magnitude. See, this is a positive charge and this is the negative charge. So obviously negative charge is attracted towards to positive charge. So maybe this charge Q is bring from the infinite to definite position at point P, and where the electric potential is 0. Electric potential is 0, according to the given condition in the question. Okay, if both the charges are same charge, I mean it is positive and it is also positive, so this point will be here P dash. But in our question the condition is one charge is positive, another charge is negative, so it is electron and it is proton. So electron is attracted towards to the proton till that. So according to the given condition of the question, when this charge will become here at point P, so to bring the charge from infinite to definite position point P, the electric potential is 0. So let's write the data which is given in the question. Distance between both of them is 0.1 meter. Assume that this distance is x. So this distance is 0.1 minus x. Okay. According to the statement of the equation, according to the statement of question, Vp is equals to 0. Means here we are talking about the very easy thing. It is, let's say this is A point and this is B point. So Va plus Vb is equals to 0. It means we can say that total electric potential is 0 due to charge number 1 and due to charge number 2. Okay, when we are bringing it at point P. So Va is equals to minus Vb. As you know that the formula is K Q1 upon R1, K Q2 upon R2. As you know that K2 K cancel because K is a constant, and you know the value of Q1 and Q2 is given. The value of Q1 is 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb. So I am putting here 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb, and R1 is the value is x. The distance between point P and point A is x, and the distance between point P and this point B, it is okay 0.1 minus x. So 0.1 minus x, and above the value is given. So this is minus here, okay, minus Vd. So it is also minus, but already minus value is given 3 into 10 to the power minus 9. So this negative becomes positive. So again I am writing here 4 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by x is equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 9 divided by 0.1 minus x. So 10 to the power minus 9, 10 to the power minus 9 is cancelled. Now it is cross multiplication. 4 into 0.1 minus x, and it is 3x. 0.4x minus 4x, and this is 3x. So what we did it here, cross multiplication, by which 4 is multiplied with this 0.1 and multiply with x. So minus 4x, and here it is consisting, very easy things, it is only 0.4, sorry. So now we have to be just transfer it by ATP, we have to be do it. So 0.4 is equals to 3x plus 4x. हाँ ठीक।